Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft OneNote app properly, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that no instances of Microsoft OneNote are currently running on your device. Click on the Start menu in the lower left corner of your screen. Type Apps and Features into the search bar and select it from the results. In the Apps and Features window, scroll through the list of installed applications. Locate Microsoft OneNote in the list. Once found, click on Microsoft OneNote to reveal additional options. Select the Uninstall button that appears. A confirmation prompt may pop up asking if you are sure you want to uninstall OneNote. Click Uninstall again to confirm your choice. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Once the process is finished, you can close the Apps and Features window. If you are using a mobile device, find the OneNote app on your home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the OneNote app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall or the trash bin icon, depending on your device. Confirm the uninstallation in the pop-up message that appears. Check your device to ensure that the OneNote app has been successfully removed. By following these steps, you have properly uninstalled Microsoft OneNote from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.